I am willing to let go of the fear I have for money, success, and wealth. I am willing to release the anger I feel towards money, success, and wealth. It is perfectly wonderful for me to welcome money, success, and wealth into my life. I focus on what I have rather than what I wish I had. I am truly grateful for all the money I have now. I am grateful for everywhere abundance shows up in my life. I am a generous giver and a gracious receiver. I am financially free. I earn enough passive income to fund my desired lifestyle. I deserve to experience abundance because I add value to others' lives. I deserve a career that I love. I attract my ideal career every day. Something great is happening to me right now. I open myself up to what is possible. I attract abundance in all areas of my life. I am able to invest in causes and projects that have meaning for me. Prosperity accompanies me in everything I do. I am open to being an example of wealth. I easily create multiple streams of passive income. The more successful I become, the more people I am able to inspire. The more successful I become, the more people I am able to contribute to. Joy and success come easily. I practice gratitude every day. I am so grateful for all that I have been given. I am so grateful for all that I have worked for. I thank the universe for working with me in achieving my goals. Abundance shows up in my life in surprising and positive ways. Money easily and effortlessly flows into my life. I have what I need. I want what I have. I have what I want. I have an abundance of light that comes from within me. I am a luminary.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight-to-the-point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.